In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a dollar sign to a numbers in an Excel spreadsheet. So first, let's select all the numbers next to which we want to display the dollar sign. So here we're going to add a sign, the dollar sign next to the price of the product A to D. So let me select this price of this product here. So once selected, right click on the mouse button and select Format Cell. So now we got this pop-up window, that is Format Cell, where we look for the categories and there we select the currency. On the right you will see the options like the number of decimal place to be displayed. So here the number of decimal places is 2, or the drop down menu to pick the currency symbol to appear next to the numbers. So now to set the number of decimal place to be displayed, use these arrows and we will leave it at 2 now. Then in the field symbol, open the drop down menu, pick any currency symbol you need. In this case we go for the dollar sign. So let me pick this dollar sign. So I'm going to click this dollar sign, English, United States. So up here in the field sample we can see the preview of the numbers as they will appear with the current setting with the currency symbol. So once everything's been set, press OK and that's it. Let me click OK. So the dollar sign shows with all the numbers which are displayed with the 2 decimal places just as we wanted. So in this video I have shown you how to add a dollar sign in Excel. So thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.